2023's must-have streaming microphones. Enhance your broadcast. Welcome back, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of streaming microphones, and we've got a fantastic lineup for you. We'll be reviewing the top 5 best streaming microphones of 2023. So, let's jump right in. Best overall, the Blue Yeti Microphone. Our first product takes the crown for the best overall streaming microphone of 2023. Behold the ultimate powerhouse that has captured the hearts of streamers worldwide. Introducing the Blue Yeti Microphone. This sleek and stylish microphone is an absolute game changer when it comes to delivering professional-grade audio for your streaming endeavors. It boasts an impressive array of features that set it apart from the competition. With its cutting-edge technology, you'll experience crystal-clear audio that will make your audience feel like they're right there with you. It's like having a personal audio engineer by your side. Also, this microphone comes equipped with a high-quality condenser capsule, allowing it to capture every nuance of your voice with remarkable precision. And let's not forget about its versatile connectivity options. The Blue Yeti microphone is designed to work seamlessly with a variety of devices, making it compatible with all major streaming platforms. Whether you're streaming on Twitch, YouTube, or even recording podcasts, this microphone has got you covered. Best value, JLab Talk. Next, it's time to talk about the best value option. Get ready to be impressed by the JLab Talk microphone. This little gem offers exceptional features at an affordable price, making it the perfect choice for streamers who want great quality without breaking the bank. The JLab Talk microphone is a budget-friendly powerhouse that delivers impressive audio performance. Don't let its compact size fool you. This microphone packs a punch. It features a high-quality condenser capsule that captures your voice with remarkable clarity and accuracy, ensuring that your streams sound professional and engaging. And one of the standout features of the JLab Talk microphone is its plug-and-play functionality. You can simply connect it to your computer or streaming device, and you're good to go. With the JLab Talk microphone, you can monitor your audio in real time, ensuring that your voice levels are just right and eliminating any surprises during your streams. And speaking of convenience, the JLab Talk microphone comes with an adjustable stand that allows you to position it at the perfect angle. Whether you prefer to have it standing tall or tilted slightly, you have the flexibility to find the most comfortable setup for your streaming needs. In all, the JLab Talk microphone truly offers excellent value for your money. With its impressive audio quality, plug-and-play functionality, built-in headphone jack, adjustable stand, and stylish design, it's hard to beat this microphone in terms of affordability and performance. Best for features, Blue Yeti X. Now it's time to discuss the best option for those who crave top-notch features. Get ready to be blown away by the Blue Yeti X microphone. This remarkable piece of audio technology is a dream come true for streamers who want the ultimate control and customization over their sound. This Blue Yeti X microphone is a true powerhouse when it comes to features. It's engineered with advanced technology that sets it apart from the competition. Let's start with the heart of this microphone, the 4-capsule condenser array. This innovative design allows the Blue Yeti X to offer exceptional sound quality and versatility. It captures your voice with incredible clarity and depth, ensuring that every word you speak resonates with your audience. And the features don't stop there. The Blue Yeti X comes with a built-in high-resolution LED metering system. This game-changing addition provides real-time visual feedback of your voice levels, so you can easily monitor and adjust your audio on the fly. That's not all. Let's talk about the Blue Voice technology. This unique feature takes your streaming experience to another dimension. With Blue Voice, you have a wide range of options for enhancing and customizing your voice, including different EQ presets, filters, and even the ability to create your own signature sound. It's like having a professional sound studio at your fingertips. Best RGB, HyperX QuadCast S. Moving on, we have the HyperX QuadCast S. This microphone not only delivers exceptional audio quality, but also adds a vibrant touch of RGB lighting to your streaming setup. It combines style and performance in one impressive package. Let's talk about the stunning RGB lighting feature that sets it apart from the rest. With customizable RGB lighting effects, you can transform your streaming space into a mesmerizing visual experience that matches your personality and adds that extra flair to your content. The RGB lighting on the HyperX QuadCast S microphone offers a wide spectrum of colors and dynamic effects to choose from. Whether you prefer a subtle, calming ambiance or a pulsating, energetic display, this microphone has got you covered. It's a true feast for the eyes. Even better, it comes equipped with a professional-grade condenser capsule that captures your voice with exceptional clarity and detail. Your audience will be treated to a premium audio experience, thanks to the microphone's ability to reproduce your voice accurately and faithfully. Plus, the HyperX QuadCast S microphone also features a built-in anti-vibration shock mount. This innovative technology minimizes unwanted vibrations and handling noise, ensuring that your recordings and streams sound professional and pristine. Say goodbye to annoying background noise and hello to crystal clear audio. Best for beginners, Movo UM700. We're nearing the end of our review of the top best streaming microphones of 2023, and now it's time to discuss the best option for beginners. Get ready to embark on your streaming journey with the Movo UM700 microphone. This microphone is specifically designed to cater to the needs of newcomers, providing a seamless and user-friendly experience. The Movo UM700 is the perfect entry-level microphone for aspiring streamers. It's designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for beginners to set up and start streaming right away. It features a plug-and-play setup, allowing you to connect it to your computer or streaming device effortlessly. And let's talk about the audio quality. The Movo UM700 may be beginner-friendly, but it doesn't compromise on performance. It features a high-quality condenser capsule that captures your voice with impressive clarity and richness. Your audience will be able to hear every word you say with exceptional detail. That's not all. The UM700 also includes a handy headphone jack for real-time monitoring. This feature allows you to listen to your voice as you stream, ensuring that you can hear yourself clearly and adjust your voice levels accordingly. It's a valuable tool for beginners to fine-tune their audio on the go.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.